Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y72 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this device. Start by opening Settings. Now you need to select Apps and Notifications over here. Scroll down and tap on App Clone. As you can see, all available apps are over here. If you wish to clone one of them, just tap on the switcher next to it, in my case Facebook. Then we wait. So now when I go back and type Facebook, I can see that my app was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!